This video will walk through how to update your personal details on Charles Stanley Direct. You can update your email address, telephone numbers, postal address, and bank details, as well as certain details that you need to log in. First, you'll need to log into your account and then select My Profile at the top of the page. If you're looking to update your email address, password, memorable word, or security questions and answers, you can do so under the Basic Information tab. Using email address as an example, type in your new address and confirm it below, then click Apply Changes to the bottom right. The next page is designed to ensure that all updates are secure. You need to enter your password and the answers to one of your security questions and your date of birth. Next, click the green Confirm Changes button. We will then send an email to your new address, which contains an 8-digit code. You need to enter this code on your main My Accounts page. That's it. Once you've entered the code, the update is complete. To update your address or phone number, go to the Personal Data tab. We'll send out letters in the post to confirm an address change. Well, if you change your mobile number, you'll be sent a verification code by text message, which you need to enter on your main My Accounts page where prompted. If you're looking to update your bank details, you can do so in the Bank Details tab. The key thing to note here is that you can only add an account that's in your name, as we can't make payments to anyone who is not named on your account. If you have any difficulties making any of these changes, the help desk is on hand to help.